Hello, my beautiful people. You are welcome. Today, I want to teach you how I make this banga and coconut rice. It's so yummy. Oh my god, you have to try this. You have to try it. What you just need is any meat of your choice. You can use chicken, but I'm using turkey. I've washed this turkey, okay? I've washed it. I'm going to put the spice that I want. You can put any one of your choice. I add onions and I add garlic. I slice 5 garlic. I love garlic a lot. So now I'm putting star maggi, the powder one. So I put rosemary and I put thyme. I put curry. So depends on the spice you like to use. Guys, this is so sweet. It's so delicious. It's so yummy. Coconut rice and banga. Now I just added gizzard. I add water. You can decide to add little water or small water. Depends on the way you like to boil your meat. But this one I want water inside, okay? So I add salt, sorry. I add salt and I add the fresh pepper. I grind it, okay? So after some minutes, just 20 minutes or to 15 minutes, I remove it because I'm going to be taking it to the oven. Guys, this is superb. Oh my god, it's so yummy. So what I do, I have to spice them and put another things in order to spice it up to put it to the oven, okay? So the rice, I'm parboiling it. I use soft rice. I bought this soft rice in Lidl supermarket, okay? You can see it anywhere in Macadona, in Consume, in Willis, in Walmart, anywhere you can see it. I'm using tomatoes puree, okay? I'm using tomatoes puree and I'm using coconut milk and I'm using banga. You add oil, just little because you know that coconut milk has oil and banga has oil. So you just fry the onions, and when you fry the onions little, you add the puree, okay? The thick tomatoes, the thin tomatoes, you just stir together because remember there is no too much oil. Now I pour the tomatoes that is not that blended. It was in the bottle. I bought it that way, okay, in Lidl supermarket. So I add everything. I add thyme again and I add curry. I add everything like spices you need, curry and thyme. Guys, oh my god, you have to try this out. You have to. This is the coconut milk and the banga. I have to pour everything inside, and it's also easy to make. So all the coconut milk is inside. Now I'm putting the banga inside, okay? So now I'm going to pour the stock meat because I have to use the filter because I don't want any chaff in it, okay? So you just sip it this way, guys. You have to see the scent here. You have to be here. This scent, oh my god, is superb. Oh my god, it's superb. This is yummy. This is yummy. So this is the rice. I pour it inside as if you are cooking jollof. You understand now? So I just pour it inside this way. You stir together. Stir it together this way. Oh my god, I wish you're here to test. I wish you're here to test because this scent, the scent I'm seeing. So I cover it after some minutes, after 15 to 18 minutes. This is it. I keep on turning it. It's so soft and oh my god, it scents superb. It scents very well. So you cover it and put it in a low heat because we don't want to add any water to it, okay? You put it in a low heat. And the turkey has already put it in the oven and the turkey is almost done. It's okay that way. Oh my god, guys. You see, are you feeling what I'm feeling? Are you feeling what I'm feeling? Are you seeing this rice? I banga rice and coconut rice. If you have not tried it, go and try it together. It's superb. Now I'm done. So the way I serve it for my special and my lovely husband, my king, my king. So that is what I'm doing now. For you to do it for your own husband today, or do it for your wife too. It's so yummy. So after pressing it in the cup this way, I put it here. Ah, work don't finish. So after putting it here, I just add the meat to it, the turkey to it. I spicing it up by putting my my leaf. It's so yummy. Parsley leaf. Thank you guys. Try it out. You will love it. Yummy, yummy. Subscribe.